Hello, hello! Warm greetings! Kamusta po kayo? My name is Jeremy. I'm an owner of a consulting agency. And first off, I would like to thank you for taking time to watch this video explainer natin. The title is Smart City Roadmap. No? So, the vision really is that we wanted to transform urban living for all. No? So, typically we wanted to have a smart city concept, no, yung framework natin. And to cut a long story short, we have prepared a video for you.
Every day, our nation and our businesses pulse with information. Every choice, every challenge, every opportunity written in data. But how do we translate that data into progress? How do we turn noise into vision? Introducing IRA, the Philippines' most advanced command and control platform. More than just technology, IRA is the nation's central nervous system, an AI-driven brain designed to empower all sectors for real-time, data-driven decision-making. Our mission: to establish the Philippines as a global hub for AI innovation, empowering agriculture and food security, transforming healthcare, streamlining local governance and SMEs and enterprises, fortifying public safety, law enforcement, and national defense, and revolutionizing disaster response and logistics. Have a real-time, geographical view of what is truly happening in your community, city, or business operations. With advanced geospatial tools, IRA creates a living digital twin of any environment. Geofence and monitor farms for peak efficiency, monitor port operations, track nature such as volcanic activity, monitor air quality or noise pollution, map out disaster-prone areas, or identify crime hotspots, all in real time. Fusing data from IoT devices, satellites, and on-the-ground intelligence, IRA generates insights that were never before possible. Understand the voice of your citizens or customers. IRA captures incidents, reviews, and feedback by voice and text through natural language, delivering comprehensive analysis in minutes. Let IRA develop your next marketing campaign or recommend your operational improvements. The true power of artificial intelligence is prediction. By ingesting incident reports, symptoms, food prices, crop cycles, traffic information, or maintenance logs, IRA can forecast disease outbreaks, predict prices, assist in agricultural decisions, assist in locating missing persons, predict crime frequency, generate strategic plans, or recommend preventative maintenance. When the stakes are highest, IRA delivers strategic dominance. It fuses tactical reports with satellite data to provide threat assessments and strategic recommendations on the fly, giving national defense leaders the clarity to act decisively. Connect any data, solve any complex problem. Whether in business, local governance, agriculture, health, IRA is the single unified AI platform that integrates all your data, transforming complexity into clarity. This is more than a command center. It's a commitment to a smarter, safer, and more prosperous future for all Filipinos.
There you go. So that's a quick video. So if you are interested, you can actually email me. You can actually call me, and we can actually schedule a virtual call or a physical meeting with the mayor, no, or local government unit. No? So we are targeting each town kasi itong AI na to is specifically designed for the LGU municipal level and up. So maganda tong opportunity for us to provide the mayor a command center, no, which is AI assisted. So again, sa mga susunod na video natin, abangan nyo because we will be explaining, no, there's a case example and we would like to explain to you yung roadmap ng ating AI-driven command center. All right. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.